Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the best recipe to making Nigerian moi moi, but with a twist. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. For today's moi moi recipe, I'll be needing hard-boiled eggs. I'll add about 8 eggs into my pot, going with some salt and add enough water. I always add salt whenever I'm boiling eggs because I feel like the salt prevents the eggs from breaking while it's still cooking. I don't know if there is any logic behind this, but I always do this. Over here, I have about 3 cups of beans. This is black-eyed beans. I've just gone in with some water. I'll let the beans soak up the water for a few minutes to make pounding easy. After about 3 minutes, I'll go in with my pestle and I'll pound until the skin starts coming off. I'll do this until most of the skin comes off, and then I'll transfer into a bowl of water to separate the beans from the peel. I have a dedicated video on the channel on how to wash beans. There are different methods in that video and I'm sure you enjoy watching the video. So I'll use a sieve to separate the peels from the beans. And I'll do this as many times as possible until I've gotten rid of all the peels. This step is very easy and is self-explanatory. Just watch the video closely and you understand. As you can see from the video, the beans is looking very clean already. So this is a chaff. I'll dispose this and then wash the beans one more time. This method of washing beans is my go-to. This is my favorite and I highly recommend. With this method, the peels comes off very easily. You don't have to do too much. You can see how clean the beans looks. This is how I always get my beans in very little time without so much stress. So I'll wash this one more time and set it aside. My eggs are done cooking and I'm taking them out from the pot already. I'll transfer the eggs into a bowl of cold water to let them cool down a bit before I start peeling off the eggs. I cooked these eggs for about 15 minutes, thereabouts. How many minutes do you boil your eggs for? Let us know down in the comment section. So after the eggs are completely cooled, I peeled off the shell off camera. So here are the rest of the ingredients needed to prepare this moi moi recipe. On this plate, I have some Tatashe. This is the local variant of red bell pepper. These are not spicy. I'm using this much because I want the color to pop. I want that bright red color. Here I have some Scotch bonnet peppers, also known as Atarodo. Now these are spicy, so use as much as is needed. I'll be using lots of onions for today's recipe and I have 3 medium-sized onion. You can always use as much as you want when recreating yours. And this is my grounded crayfish. Use as much as is needed. Feel free to remove any ingredients that you're not comfortable with. Check the description box below for the list of ingredients that I use in this video. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I'll be making Nigerian moi moi but with a twist. So now let's get right into it. I've just heated some vegetable oil and I've gone in with my blended onions. I'll fry this for about 3 minutes until it becomes fragrant. What we are making today is stewed moi moi. Does the name work? Stewed moi moi. Because I'll be making sauce before adding the sauce into my beans. So going in now is my blended Tatashe. Remember I said this is a local variant of red bell pepper and this is just to give this moi moi the bright red color. So once added, I'll stir properly and I'll let it to fry until some of the water content in it dries up and it's looking like this. It's coming on really well and it's looking super good. So at this point, it's ready to accept the rest of my seasoning. I'll add my crayfish powder and I'll also add my seasoning cubes and salt. These are the only things I'll be using to season this sauce, this pepper sauce. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. After adding my seasoning, I stirred properly until well incorporated. I'll let this fry for a few minutes, maybe for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, this is what we have. The stew is properly fried and this is the right time for you to check if the stew is lacking anything. I tasted mine off camera and the taste was just perfect. So my pepper sauce is ready. I'll turn off the heat and then proceed to the next step, which is to blend my beans. I blended my beans off camera and this is the large batch of blended beans. I'm just adding this into my bowl. So next I'll go in with my pepper sauce and I'll add this gradually, a little at a time until I achieve my desired color. I don't want the beans to be overwhelmed with the pepper sauce, so that's the reason I'm adding it a little at a time. I think it still needs some more, so I'll go in with small pepper sauce. I'll continue to do this until I achieve my desired color and taste. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, you're at the right place. My name is Oge, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Kindly consider subscribing. You're already here. Please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you, you're going to love it here. And subscription is absolutely free. After you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. On here, I post lots of easy, delicious, and amazing food recipes. And I'm sure you want to try out the recipes. So please click on that subscribe button to be a part of this family. Thank you. I'm done mixing my beans. I've achieved my desired color, consistency, and taste. So I'll proceed to divide each egg into half or cut each egg into two. To my amazing and returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing my videos, and leaving me your comments. You guys are the absolute best, and I'm truly grateful. I felt like cooking this moi moi inside nylon. It's been a while since I had moi moi inside nylon, so this is what I'll be using. I'll be cooking my moi moi inside nylon. I'll just scoop about 2 spoons of the beans pudding, add half an egg, and secure it tightly by making a knot to prevent it from coming loose when it gets into the pot. So this step is self-explanatory. If you enjoy short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts, my Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I have lots of delicious recipes that are 60 minutes long or less on these platforms, and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. So if you don't have the patience for YouTube long form content, kindly check out my other social media pages. The handle to search for is Oge_Anyoko on Facebook and Oge Anyoko on Instagram and on TikTok. The same name on all platforms, so it'll be very easy for you to find my pages. Please do well to follow me, watch my videos, share my videos. Let me know the kind of recipes you want to see on the platforms, and share out my videos. Thank you. For vlog lovers, especially lifestyle vlogs, I have good news for you. I have a channel where I post my lifestyle vlogs. I have entertaining, interesting, and beautiful vlogs that I'm sure you'll enjoy watching. So please do well to search for I am Oge Anyoko on YouTube for my vlog channel. When you come across my vlog channel, subscribe, turn on notification so you don't miss out on amazing vlogs. I post vlogs every Sunday, new vlogs every Sunday. So please do well to subscribe and be a part of the community. Thank you. This is the last one, and I'm securing it tightly by making a knot. See how it is? This will not come off while it's still cooking. I already have a pot of water boiling. I'll proceed to transfer the moi moi into the pot of boiling water, and I'll let this cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I realized that the moi moi was too much for the first pot I was using, so I transferred to a bigger pot. After about 45 minutes, this is what we have. It smells amazing and it looks super good. The moi moi is ready, and we've come to the end of this video. Have you tried making moi moi this way? What was the outcome? Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe down in the comments section. I'll cut it open to show you what it looks like inside. This is super soft, so moist, and I love it. I'm not a huge fan of moi moi, but I love this. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm having mine with custard. Please like the video, share it out to your family and friends, leave me your comments in the comments section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.